if you're broke right now and you have no money and you're in the hole and credit cards are maxed out and that's you, you need to go to this seminar because the only way to pull yourself out is by making money. Guys, being broke doesn't create more money. You're going to be broke for the next 3 years. But if you come and you learn the skill, you'll stop being broke. I can guarantee you this. If you're broke and you have nothing, I want to share this with you. Whatever you're going to make this year on your year to date, I'll bet you $5,000 says next year you triple it after coming to the seminar. Guys, I'm batting for you. I believe in you. Watch the 2-minute video link before. The only reason, I'm not going to show my paycheck stubs ever again, but I'm going to tell you why I showed them to you. Because I see a lot of guys selling cars, and when you say, hey, you can make $700,000, now they don't believe it. A lot of managers can't make that kind of money. But do you know what? You can. I believe in you. But you have to learn a skill that your competition don't know. You have to learn the deadliest niches in the business, which is where I live every day and I know them and I'll teach them to you. You have to learn how to negotiate and close and overcome objections. And you have to know the 50 word tracks that I use every single day that made me that money. Guys, when I took home a $50,000 check, that's nothing. I just believe that that's nothing. It's paper, okay? What matters is me changing your life and you coming to my seminar and allowing me to put my arms around you and teaching you the skills so you can make more money than you ever imagined in your life. And guys, I'm going to tell you this. It's not selfish to make more money. It's selfish not to make more money because you can't give to your church. You can't help your family out. There's things that you can't do in this world, right? If you don't have a hand to hand out and help them. So financially, I'd love for you to have a giant mindset for your family. And no matter who told you you couldn't do it, or no matter how bad and how down you are on your luck, or if you're doing really good right now and you're making 200 or 300 grand, here's the deal. Let's make 600 grand. Wouldn't you agree that when you go to work for this amount of time, it's okay to make 3 times more the money, 5 times more, 8 times more, 10 times more? I think so. But all of my people that come to this seminar, they will all be making 6 figures. I will share this with you. I want you. I want the hungriest. I don't care if you have 0 skill. When you leave, you'll have the skill. That's all that matters. Guys, click on the link below. It's awesome talking to you. And I know this little Ghetto Productions deal, how I show it. Everybody, right? I don't feel like they're real in life. You see these edited videos where this guy's in front of like a $10 million house and then his Range Rover, and then he pulls up. Guys, that's not his house, right? He leased it for the weekend. And then 2, he rented the Range Rover. Okay, and if he did, it's like, what a loser, man. Listen, I'm real. I'm transparent. I care about you, I care about your family, and I care about your kids. And the more in life you give, the more you receive. And I would love to give you guys the gift with this seminar to go back home and change your entire life. And people will tell you you shouldn't go. Those people won't be around you in 2 or 3 years from now. Quit wasting time. Save special energy for your family and quit wearing yourself out. Develop a skill that will last you for the rest of your life.